Hi guys, Andrew here from The Basics. I am going to be teaching you how to stream media using Windows Media Player. To do this, all we need is Windows Media Player and Media, and of course a Windows operating system. Windows Media Player actually comes pre-installed on all three of the past iterations of Windows, whether it be Windows XP, Windows Vista, or Windows 7. If you have Windows 7, you should have a pre-installed icon in your taskbar, like this one here. If you're not on Windows 7, or if you don't have an icon, you can simply click on your Start button, All Programs, and then find it in the list, like so. Whenever you first open Windows Media Player, if you have not used it before, unlike me, it will bring up a dialog box asking you to set it up, basically. You can just click Default Settings and then OK. You should then be brought to a screen that looks similar to this. It will say you don't have any media in your library. Click here to add. This one is just playlist because I do have media, as you can see, but it will look a lot like this. If it doesn't look anything like this, if this doesn't look similar to what you have at all, you're probably running a later version or an older version of Windows Media Player. You're going to need to update that to follow along in this video. Streaming is actually enabled in, I believe, Windows Media Player 10 and up, but you will not be able to use this tutorial video if you're not using the newest version of Windows Media Player. So I will actually have the download link in the description of this video for the newest version of Windows Media Player, and you can just download that, install it, and then follow along. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit Stream and more streaming options. This is going to bring up this dialog box here, asking us to choose media streaming options for computers and devices. You then need to name your media library. I left mine as Andrew. In this box, you can leave this on all local network, unless of course you have multiple networks that you are connected to at the same time. You should then have a list of all the devices that are on your network. If there are no devices here, nothing's tried to connect to your computer yet. That's fine, don't worry. Just simply hit this Allow All button. That will allow all devices that try to connect to your computer to stream your media access. If you don't want all of them to have access, you simply try to connect to your computer once you've done this, and then it will pop up on this list. You can hit Allowed, and then you'll be alright. Go ahead and hit OK. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add media if you haven't already. To do this, we're going to hit Organize, Manage Libraries, and then either music, videos, or pictures. It doesn't really matter because in the next dialog box it will ask us to select a folder that your media is in. Once you select that folder, it's actually going to load all the media, whether it be pictures, music, or videos, onto your library. So it doesn't really matter what you select here, but let's go ahead and select what we're actually looking for, and in this case it's videos. You are then going to add whatever folder you'd like. So you hit the Add dialog button, and then you simply find the folder on your computer that has your media in it. For me, that'd be local disk, and then Good. Hit Include Folder. See, as I've already added this folder, it says Good is already included in the library. That's alright. For the purpose of this video, I already showed you how to do it. Go ahead and hit OK. Now, if you go to Videos, you will be able to see all of the videos that you've just added from that folder. This now means that they are ready to be streamed to your device, whether that be an Xbox or PS3 or another computer. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Rate, comment, subscribe if you did. We will be coming out with more videos on everything from how to set up a network to the basics of Java programming and HTML. Alright guys, make sure that you head to our website, www.da-basics.com. This is Andrew. Thanks guys.